This is going to be a walkthrough of the Space Race second level where you're trying to reach escape velocity. Could either be the Pioneer 4 level or the Soviet level Luna. So the first thing you do is press the launch button. When you have a chance to increase your game speed, press the fast forward button. Press the left button to steer your ship left. If you follow the arrow, you'll be guided into space pretty easily. Pinch your fingers together on the screen to zoom out. When you see your trajectory, it's a little bit easier to see where you are. Until you're in orbit, try to keep your velocity slightly above horizontal. You want to keep that green dot just in front of you. So steer upwards a little bit if it's getting too close. When you have a chance to drop your stage, press that button. After the first stage, the throttle works differently. You have to press the throttle and hold it to get a boost. And if you slide your finger up and down on that, you'll change how strong your boost is. So you want to press the throttle and slide towards the top to get maximum thrust. And you can steer while thrusting by sliding your finger left and right. Keep throttling until you get to orbit. When you do, you'll see your orbit dimensions in the second panel. That's the maximum and minimum altitudes. And keep throttling until the perigee, that's the low altitude, is at least 100 kilometers. Otherwise, you risk falling into the atmosphere and dropping back to Earth. The launch time of this mission was such that once in orbit, you can coast for a little bit, maybe a tenth of a revolution around Earth, until you throttle up again if you want to hit the moon. Now aim your ship along your trajectory and hit the throttle again. That'll increase your velocity. And just hold it for as long as you still have fuel. You'll have one more chance to drop your stage. Press that, you can zoom out, hit the throttle again. If you can find the moon, notice that it is orbiting the Earth, so you have to aim at its future position. It's moving counterclockwise. Once your speed's enough to escape Earth's gravity, your score panel will show an escape velocity. That's the speed beyond that critical velocity that your ship has. And that is your score. And this demo gives you a 3-star mission success with over 800 meters per second.